September 2022 to now. In September 2022, I met my baby daddy one day, like September 17th. I did his hair. He didn't leave my side for 2 weeks straight. I got pregnant like October 3rd. Didn't
Damn.
know I got pregnant. Didn't know I was pregnant. Found out November 1st. He was messing with another girl. Me and that
Oh,
girl got into it. Fast forward November 20 something. We found out I was pregnant November 1st. November 20 something. He cheated on me. He gave me an STD.
whoa, whoa,
Me and
whoa.
that girl still get into it. Fast forward. We had Thanksgiving at his mama house. His mama, or not his mama house, but at his family house. His mama
Wait. You still with him after that? Ah, damn. You get with a guy and you get pregnant by this guy after just retwisting his hair, because that's what it sounded like. You got with this dude, you retwisted his hair, y'all slept together, I'm guessing that same night, and he didn't leave. Strike one, strike two, red flag, all up and down. Boy, I tell you, boy.
takes my face and kisses me on the forehead. She was so happy that her son was off his hands. Mind you, he don't have a car, a
Mm.
job, or any place to stay. So what I got, a car, a job, and a place to stay.
You knew
Right?
all this.
I
Mm-hmm.
really hate telling y'all how dumb I was. I need to say that when I met that man, I was like suicidal, no family, no friends, super depressed. You attract what you are at that moment. That's
Okay.
how I attracted such a low bio human being. A man that would cheat on me while I was pregnant because I wasn't loving myself at the time. So of course I'm not gonna attract somebody that loves me. But hey. During the midst of all that, I'm getting into it with his friends. His friends are in a group chat talking about if he want to fight me, just say that. Like talking to me because they know I read his messages. Um, so friends not respecting me. He has nobody.
Wait. When you say friends, are you talking about women? I know ain't no guys out there talking about fighting you. That would be crazy. That would be crazy, bro.
Life that respects me. He's called me his ex name while I was pregnant. My whole pregnancy, he would say to me, "Oh, I don't want our daughter to have this of you," or like he just tore me down so bad. He called me ugly every chance he got in so many different ways, but called it joking. This man was driving my car up and down the road, down to Anderson and everywhere else to go pick up his family and go
Anderson, South Carolina. So that must mean she y'all near ATL.
work and stuff. But when it came time to pay my car payment, because I wasn't working when I was pregnant, I was too sick to work for real. Um, he was complaining about paying my car payment. Okay, fast forward to the birth of our child. 5 days after our child, well, let's stop there. I went to the hospital. I had to go to the first doctor's appointment by myself because he didn't know if I wanted him to go. Mind you, I didn't know I'm not supposed to be driving a car after I give birth. I didn't know that I'm not supposed to be picking heavy stuff up after I give birth. This is like a couple days after I've given birth. I'm picking up a stroller, a car seat, a diaper bag, and going through the mall. I'm also freaking out because I'm postpartum. My baby is screaming in the back seat. I don't know my way around the hospital, and then I have to lug everything up to the hospital. So, and he's at home in the bed. He did not want to. He told me we both were supposed to start a job the same day after our baby was born. We started a job on the same day. He told me that since my job was work from home, I need to be up with the baby at night because he has to prepare for when he gets ready to go to work. This is before we started the jobs.
Well, listen. I respect the fact that she did take accountability and she knew, she understood that you are what you attract, and she was going through a lot of stuff. So that was the reason why she attracted that young brother. This is the guy that you picked to be the father of your children, unfortunately. You know what I mean? So,
He just said he needed to be up with the baby. 5 days after our baby was born, he was at the casino. And I'm like, why are you going to the casino? I had already had panic attacks with my kid. Like, I was having panic attacks because I gave her a passy. She choked on it and it freaked me out. I didn't sleep for 2 days. He's at the casino leaving me at home with her by myself after I just didn't sleep for 2 days and had panic attacks. And his mom and the rest of them was like, you got to just let him go. He just needs to go. And he told me that my friend should have took me out after I had a baby instead of him taking me out or getting me flowers or getting me anything after just giving birth to his child. But okay. Fast forward. So I'm not working because I just had a baby. I was braiding hair up until 9 months pregnant. I'm not working because I just had a baby. So the rent is due for July. He goes and spends $200 on a tattoo of our baby's feet. And expects me to pay my half of the rent knowing I haven't been working. So
okay, so y'all split. How the hell are y'all splitting the rent? She just said that she didn't have the money. I'm a little, but she did say that she was braiding hair. So I'm guessing. it's a lot going on. It's a lot. I'm just trying to follow y'all. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm following so I can give the proper reaction to all of this.
Mind y'all, we was very broke at the time. Anyways, so I broke up with him because the story he told me, since my name is in the apartment, I'm like, if we get evicted, it's gonna be my name, like it's gonna be on my credit. I'm gonna be messed up. And he like, well, then you're just gonna have to be messed up. So I broke up with him. Okay, after breaking up with him, we get into it so bad. I'm trying to lay ground rules. I'm trying to talk about boundaries. I'm trying to talk about stuff we don't want and do want. This man calls me a B, like literally gets into it with me, calls me a B word. It's just as soon as and then he had my car when I broke up with him, so I went to his mom's house to get it back. His sister wouldn't even open the door for me. Like the whole family was cold shoulder. I don't know what he told them that I did to him, but that was all cold shoulder from.
So here's the thing, right? And I'm not trying to be funny, but you knew all of this. You knew all of this before you got with this guy. You knew all of this before y'all had a baby together. You knew all of this. So, man, listen. I know it's going to be a lot of pushback with this. I would not say that this is the worst BD. I'm just saying I've heard a lot worse stories than what she's saying right now, because yo, all of this stuff was taking place. Well, I can't really say before the child, because I mean, damn, are you that fertile? Or y'all just that nasty, man? The fact that y'all barely knew each other, and it sounded like 2-3 days of y'all. I mean, it sounded like the same day that y'all got with each other, the same night that you did his hair. You got pregnant, but you just didn't find out until y'all nasty, bro.
The jump. They didn't even want to speak to me or say hey, like I hadn't just seen them. But whatever. So we just have a long, ongoing back and forth, regular baby mama drama. He goes weeks without seeing the kids. I'm working
Kids
from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. every day with my baby because he doesn't want to see her. He told me he didn't want to see her because I was posting stuff on Facebook about him. So he goes weeks without seeing her. It was a bunch of times where he was saying he wasn't going to give her back to me. I had to call the police on him because he.
Oh, here we go. You let somebody talk long enough and they started telling themselves. So you, again, along with this post, are actively posting negative stuff about the father of your child, and you wonder why he's not coming around. To give you more ammo? Like, it's a lose-lose situation. So he's just like, man, listen, damn if I do, damn if I don't. But you up here being Petty Anderson, posting negative stuff about the guy that you chose to have a baby with after only knowing this guy for a few days. You nasty. Do you not realize that this look bad on your part? It really do.
Doesn't legally have custody to do that. He left her on the doorstep one time. Just all types of crazy stuff that he was doing or whatever. And all I'm trying to get him to do is co-parent. Now, there was times where I was being a bitter baby mama and I definitely just wanted a family or whatever. Is. I own up to that. But a lot of the times the stuff he was doing was unwarranted. Fast forward to...
Skip over that accountability part. You see how quick that was? You see how quick that was? Instead of, let's stay here for a few seconds. This entire video has been about how you got the worst baby daddy ever. Stay on that bit of baby mama part. I want to hear a little bit more about that. I want to hear a little bit more about how you were posting stuff online, talking negatively about this guy. Let's stay there. Let's stay there. We want to skip over that part, or we want to fast forward through that part. Nah.
We're going to skip over the December moment. Fast forward to January of 2024.
There it is. Skip.
I asked I'm doing story time on this, but basically he had my baby around a girl that he cheated on me while I was pregnant with. And he had that girl in a room full of, like, an apartment full of 7 people. He had that girl beat me up. And then they all lied and made up a lie and saying I broke in there and just started going crazy on them with a knife. And I went to jail.
Bruh. I call cap, man. Get the freak out of here. So they lied about you breaking into the house with a knife, going crazy on everybody. It was all a lie, but you still somehow went to jail? Nah. Now, I actually believe the fact that you did go in there and do that because you out here publicly trying to embarrass this man, talking about you got the worst baby daddy ever. You said out your mouth that you had your bitter moments. You wanted your family back moments. You said that you got into it with the girl, and I've never known a feminine woman that's not really with all the rah rah getting into altercations one after the other with no, because feminine women don't do that. It's just like, yo, listen, I'm good on that. I'm not about to go back and forth with anybody. I'm grown. I'm in a better space now. No, it sounds like you definitely did that. Up here trying to get on social media and lie. Nah, I'm pretty sure you got a lot of people down in them comments holding this young lady accountable too, because we can read between the lines. Don't none of this stuff sound true that you spitting out right now. They lied about you breaking into the house with a knife, but you still got locked up for it.
And that is why, that's not even why. He's in the army. He has taken my daughter off of his military stuff, and that is why he can't see my child anymore.
Boy, let me tell you, y'all better stay away from these hyenas, man. Stay far away from these hyenas because she think or she believed that we believe that mess, man, that she just fed us. No, no, we've been doing this for a while. And again, we can read between the lines, man. And this young lady is a perfect example of somebody that you do not want to get involved with. You don't want to have children with. You don't want to give any time to. I'm telling you, stay far away from them because they're going to get on social media and try to play that victim card. No, no, you probably could have got a pass a few years ago, but the blueprint has already been there, and yeah, you already had other people that then came out and have shown us how this story ends. Nope, not at all. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Do y'all believe her first and foremost? Do y'all believe the story that she just told about her having the worst baby daddy ever? And she's a good, wholesome young lady. Would this be the type of woman that y'all would like to have a child with? Drop it down in the comments, man. Let me know, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.